Whoops.
Ooh, illusion.
If you can't start your day without coffee, then this video is for you. Today we're making viral coffee recipes. Don't forget to thumb this video. I never knew coffee could look this good. Welcome back to our kitchen. I mean cafe, because we are serving you drinks today. No tea, just coffee. How pretty was that drink, guys? I must admit, it was a lot of effort. But if someone made me that in the morning, I will have a great day. First, we need to melt some chocolate and then pop it in the bottom of our glass. I'm sure everyone has one of these whisking things from COVID. You know, remember COVID coffee? This is stressful because I actually got to try to make it look good. I just did 2 teaspoons of melted chocolate. Then I'm gonna grab my whisk.
Okay, wait.
Wait.
Diagonal, and then changes the other direction.
Okay, I understand, but can I do it?
I'm scared. I don't
You're
know why
scared?
I feel like we needed a test run or something.
This is the test run. Our whole series is a test run of episodes.
Ooh.
Wow, this is kind of fun.
Okay.
Like that, yeah?
Yeah, one more.
I did it. This is like the best day ever. We haven't had our coffee yet, but if I could do that, you guys could do that.
Wow. Chocolate illusion.
We have proper instructions thanks to Recipe. A spoon of cocoa powder, pour in our milk, and then whisk. Okay, this should be the easy part.
He's got like a machine grade one.
Yeah, I think I've got like the cheap like $2 one. It's a bit slow. Next is instant coffee, sugar, and water. I probably should have put this in a bigger jar. Oh, it's changing.
It's frothing. I've never made dalgona before.
You've never made dalgona? What did you do during like lockdown?
Did not make dalgona.
Now it's time to assemble. We've got normal, mundane ice that's going in. In goes our milk.
Ooh, she's pretty.
Gotta refroth this real quick. Whoa, is that not divine? Here it is, guys. It's like designer coffee right now. I don't know when the design.
Bit of mix.
The design kind of stayed because the chocolate had settled and it's an iced coffee. Oh, I should put like chocolate bits on top, but meh. You guys can if you want, but we're just going for it.
Whoa.
It's a mocha. It's an iced mocha, guys.
It is. It's like an iced chocolate. I don't taste the coffee.
Coffee is not as prominent in it. It's like chocolate is the star of the show here. Not bad. I think it's nice if you like mochas. I know what Zen's gonna say because she's like true coffee girly.
It's kind of giving me like, you know when we drank that drink in Korea? That chocolatey drink?
Yes, it is.
It's kind of giving that vibe.
Given that vibe, definitely.
Yeah.
It's not bad. I think it's good. If you've got time and you want to impress your guests aesthetically, then yeah, make this. But palate-wise, it doesn't really excite my palate too much. But then again, you know, we like our coffee strong.
Are we in focus?
Are we in focus? Yeah. Apologies if we weren't. Okay, I'm gonna give this a 1.
Same.
1? Oh, 1 thumb, guys. We like our stockies.
Yeah,
we like our coffee strong. It's a strocky.
A strong coffee.
This is what happens when I don't have strong coffee.
Yeah, this is clearly why we need coffee in our shish.
Okay, we need more coffee. Did you know in Vietnam, we drink coffee with raw eggs?
Today we're making egg coffee. Not that kind. This is Vietnamese egg coffee. This is a Vietnamese coffee filter. Fill it, and inside there's a filter. I'm gonna fill this with coffee. Filter back in, twist it down. The tighter you twist it, the stronger your coffee will be. Fill this with hot water, and we're gonna let this drip. While that's dripping, we're gonna make the egg foam. Need 2 egg yolks and condensed milk. Add a splash of vanilla, and let's get whiskey. You wanna beat it until it's light and fluffy. Coffee's ready. And that's it.
I bet you've never had your coffee like that, right? Zen hasn't, and I'm like, shocked because she's been to Vietnam how many times? Too many times not to try an egg coffee. So today we're going to burst her egg coffee bubble. So you need a Vietnamese coffee filter. This one, voila. We're using Vietnamese coffee. Did you know that with Vietnamese coffee, it's like double the strength of like normal regular coffee? Like you really get a hit with it.
It hits you.
It's because the beans are different. Vietnamese coffee usually uses Robusta beans. I think that's what you call it, Robusta. Here's me trying to educate everyone. I don't even know the bean. And then like Arabica is the other bean that is more commonly used. And the Vietnamese beans, they're just like double the caffeine strength. So if you need to wake up, Vietnamese coffee. Now I put this on top, squish it down, fill that up, and now you need some patience. Move you over here. Now we're gonna work on our egg foam. I've actually never made this. I've only drank it, so I need like proper instructions. We're gonna need 2 egg yolks. In goes condensed milk, a dash of vanilla. She uses a full-on electric whisk, but do you think this little guy could do it? It's a bit slow. I'll be right back. I switched back to the electric whisk and I think we're getting the froth needed. Will it float? Please float.
Oh, it is.
It's floating, right? But it's also
Slowly
sinking.
slowly seeping through.
Okay, it's floating, but it is kind of like trickling down to the bottom as well.
Wait,
Try
you
it.
can eat it, right?
You can eat it. Tastes like I'm eating batter.
Yeah.
Okay, I think I need to mix it.
You go first.
No, you go first. You need to try this. Did you get any coffee? I don't even. You sit on that for a bit.
I actually don't mind it.
Right?
I don't know what I'm tasting, but it's kind of just like a sweet coffee to me.
It's a sweet, frothy coffee, Vietnamese coffee. So it's very different to like a normal coffee.
I think it's creamy, like that egg yolk part. It's like creamy sweet.
It's definitely a lot richer than your milk foam. It's got that vanilla that comes through. Is it eggy? I wouldn't say it's eggy. Like if you drank it, you would not know that you're drinking raw egg.
I don't mind it.
I don't know if people have this cold, but if you are looking for a hot coffee, then definitely try it out. I think it's different. It's an elevated version of Vietnamese coffee and it's got a vibe. It's a vibe.
It's vibe, yeah.
Is it your vibe?
Not entirely. Maybe because it's hot. I prefer cold coffee, like iced coffees.
I would drink this. I like this. I'm gonna give it a double thumbs up. I knew Zen would be questionable.
I would give this actually a 1.5.
1.5.
Like I think it's good. I don't think it's bad.
Yeah.
But personally, I would like it iced. I feel like that would mess up the structure of it.
I don't know.
Maybe it needs to be hot.
Also, if you're in Vietnam, you can check out salted coffee. It's a thing. And check out my Vietnam beauty guide. I'm just throwing everything in there,
All the
guys.
Vietnamese stuff.
All the Vietnamese stuff. Like, come to Vietnam, try our egg coffee, try Vietnamese salted coffee, and then get my glow up guide.
I used it.
Yeah, walking testimony
Tried and
here.
tested, yeah.
Alf, do you want to come to the moment of truth because Alf actually drinks this? He's drunk it a couple times.
It just doesn't taste like what I've had.
Doesn't taste like cafe.
I mean, I like it. I honestly don't drink it that much.
He's drank it maybe like 3 times, and I've had a sip each time. You take it. You take it. You, like,
It looks like you like it.
He's obviously enjoying it. He's already downed most of it. So, okay, we know what Alfred's gonna say. It's good.
It's good.
He's taken it. He's gone. Kaput, out of the kitchen. If you can't choose between matcha or coffee, why not have both?
You've heard of a dirty chai, but a dirty matcha with oat milk might be even better. Start with 2 scoops of matcha and pour in 80 degrees Celsius water so it doesn't burn. Whisk your matcha in a W pattern until you get this green foam on the top, and then you're ready to go. Add in some honey for sweetness and stir. Now to serve, in a glass add ice, matcha on the bottom, top up with Milk Lab oat milk, which is amazing in iced drinks, and finish with a double shot of espresso for that amazing layered look. It tastes so good. You get that hit of coffee at the start, but then it's followed by a lot of length and complexity from the matcha tea.
I'm excited for this one because I've recently become a matcha girly. Guys, I have like...
She bought like the full...
I bought the whisk and the set and everything. Like, you know, those like aesthetic influencers that wake up and make a matcha? I tried that. Except my whisk is like me, frazzled now. Looks like my hair. Boing, boing. Usually it's 4 grams, FYI, but you know. Can't use boiling water. Need 80-degree water. Oh, 80 exactly. Whisk it. You gotta whisk it until it's frothy and bubbly. I never knew that matcha was so expensive until I started getting into matcha, and I was like, oh my gosh. Apparently there's like a shortage around the world because this matcha craze, right?
Everyone's matcha
Because we're crazy. When your arms are almost about to give up, it should give you this finish. It's like a bubbly, frothy matcha. Then you can add in your sweetener. He added honey, so let's just do honey. We're using this cute cup today. In goes ice, then in goes our matcha. We're using boring oat milk. It's so pretty, right?
Ooh, getting them layers.
In goes our coffee.
Ooh. Oh, that's so pretty. Ding, 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 ding.
How cute. We see all the layers. I guess this is why they call it a dirty matcha.
Oh, I
Gonna
kind of don't
mix
want to
it.
ruin it.
Let's mix it.
Oh no!
Okay, now it's just a muddy matcha.
I need to notice it.
Definitely more matcha vibes.
Yes.
Right? It's screaming more matcha than coffee.
It's screaming matcha oat latte.
Yeah, with like a hint of coffee.
Yeah. But this is kind of how dirty matcha tastes like.
I guess
Yeah,
it is.
when I get dirty matchas, they usually taste like,
This is on
like matcha, and then you get like little hints of coffee.
We didn't add a lot of honey, so it's not super sweet. So I know it's right up Zen's alley.
Yeah.
She doesn't like very sweet stuff because she's sweet enough.
Trying to rizz me up.
Yeah.
I guess you could tweak it. We could add more coffee if we wanted.
I actually do like the oat milk. It has like a little bit of like own sweetness compared
Yeah.
to regular milk. So I don't think you even need to add honey, to be honest. But yeah, it's like growing on me. Maybe not the star of the show for this episode, but definitely like a contender, especially if you can't choose between matcha or coffee.
Yeah.
Try this out. I'm gonna give it a 1.5.
Oh,
1.5.
I'm actually gonna give it 2 thumbs.
There you go. I'm not sweet enough, so I need more sweetness in my life.
This is not your average cup of coffee. This is Japanese jelly coffee. You only need brown sugar, instant coffee, gelatin powder, boiling water, and cold water. You add the mixture to your favorite mug and let it refrigerate for at least 4 hours. Once it's done, top it off with cold foam. I did salted caramel, and that's it. It is the perfect midday drink.
That looks like an interesting way to have coffee. I've never had jelly coffee. All you need is instant coffee, sugar, and gelatin powder. Pop some hot water to dissolve it all. Once this dissolves, I'm just gonna add in cold water and then we just pop it in the fridge for 4 hours. Cold water, mix, mix, mix. Pop it in the fridge. We may have forgotten about our coffee. It's been sitting there for quite some time now.
Jellified.
Now let's make the whipping cream on top. Talking about the foam. Caramel sauce, a little bit of salt. Let's foam it up. She's getting foamy. How foamy do we want this? Let's pour it on top.
Ooh.
It's giving Guinness beer vibes, like dark beer.
Smash it.
Smash it up.
Oh, it's kind of looking like grass jelly.
Actually, it does look like grass jelly.
Oh.
Ah!
Cheers.
Cheers. Hey. What? Hey, wait a minute. Oh my god, is this even a drink?
I really like this.
I love this. You know
Wow, it
what?
tastes like a really good like dessert, like a jelly dessert.
It's a dessert, but also like it's not super gelatinous. It
Yeah.
kind of just liquefies in your mouth in a way.
and the coffee is really strong
The
too.
coffee is strong. It's definitely coffee tasting, and then the foam is nice as well. It's a bit of that
Yeah.
sweetness.
It's light.
OMG, I think this is the best drink recipe that we tried.
Drink, yeah.
What? This one came out of nowhere. I
so
didn't
good.
have high hopes for this.
Yeah, we literally forgot about it in
Yeah.
the fridge. Wow. Wow.
A must try. Double thumbs up. You have to try this one out. It's so easy to make. You set and forget. The hardest thing is just remember to come back to it.
Do this at night and then next morning you get jelly.
Dessert. You get your coffee hit. It's a party in your mouth.
Hey, this is the first drink that we both do to double thumbs.
Yeah, I'm telling you, it's the best one. I think we might be caffeined out today, guys. We're gonna be jumping off the walls. But that is it to this episode. Let me know which coffees you end up making. If you wanna see more kitchen chaos, click the video on screen. And don't forget to thumb this video. Feel my soda pop. Feel my soda pop. Don't forget to thumb this video. What are we doing? What are we doing?
Bye.